In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font color of fields in DocuSign. To get started, log into DocuSign and click Start from the main dashboard. This will take you into the workflow for creating a new item to send out. From there, choose Envelope. In DocuSign, an envelope is the package that contains your document, recipients, and any fields you want people to complete or sign. Next, select Get Signatures. This option is used when you want to prepare and send a document for signing. Once you're in that section, upload the document you want to send. You can use the file picker to locate your document and add it to the envelope. Make sure it's the correct version before moving forward, since this is the file you'll be editing and sending. After your document is uploaded, add the recipient by entering their name and email address. This tells DocuSign who should receive the document and interact with the fields you place on it. When that's done, click Next to open the document preparation screen. This is where you'll customize the document and add the fields your recipient will use. Now go to the Fields panel and select the field you want to customize. Place that field onto the document in the appropriate location. This could be a text field or another field type that supports text formatting. Once the field is on the page, click on it to select it. Selecting the correct field is important, because any formatting changes you make will apply only to that specific field. With the field selected, open the field settings and look for the font color option. This is the setting that controls the color of the text displayed inside the field. Choose the font color you want to use. Depending on your version of DocuSign, you may see preset color choices or a simple color selector. Pick the one that best matches your document style or makes the field easier to read. After choosing the color, take a moment to review the field and confirm that the text color is displaying correctly. This quick check helps you catch formatting issues before the document is sent. If needed, you can reselect the field and adjust the color again until it looks right. Once everything looks good, click Send to send the envelope with the updated font color. Your document will go out with the customized field formatting you just applied. Thanks for watching.